Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Regina and this is Everything with Gina. If you're new to this channel, my YouTube videos are all about me documenting my journey into starting my candle business. If this is something that interests you, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. And if you have already, thank you for supporting my business. So this video today is gonna be me unboxing my candle vessels. I got these vessels from California Candle Supply, and a quick review about the whole process. I love the first thing is I really love the vessels. They're really pretty and beautiful. I also love the packaging. They came in a very good packaging. All the vessels are intact, no scratch, no dent. I love that. And I also love the customer service aspect of the company. So I got two different vessels in two different sizes, one in 10 ounce and the other one in 8 ounce. Packaged this way. And this tin came in packaged this way. You have all the lid here on top, and then there is another layer for the tin itself. So this is the 10 ounce of vessel. This is called the 10 ounce Cali matte jar with lid, and they come in two different lid, one in black wood and the other in natural wood. I went with the natural wood because obviously they look really pretty with the jar, with the vessel. So quick review on this vessel. There are three things that I really love about this vessel. The first one is the outer part is matte and the inner part is glossy. That is beautiful. It's unique. The second thing is whenever you lit a candle, the flame is visible through the vessel, which is really a beautiful sight to behold. And I also love the lid with this jar. So like I said earlier, this is a 10 ounce jar, and my intent is to fill 8 ounce wax into this jar. And one heads up is if you want to look up this jar, just for you to know, they go out of stock really quickly. So I got more of this because of that reason. They go out really quickly. So that is for my 10 ounce jar. And then this is the 8 ounce tin. It's called the 8 ounce matte black tin with lid. So the inner part is silver, and then you have the outer part obviously is matte black. They came in this packaging. The lid is packaged separately from the tin itself. So I actually took them out of their what's it called? I mean, you saw I took them out of it, and then just to show you guys, this is really pretty and it is unique. So this is the 8 ounce jar, and 8 ounce tin, and I intend to fill it with 6 ounce wax. So I got this. So the 10 ounce, like I said, I got more of this. They came in about, I think, 4 boxes, and this came in just 1 box. In my next video, I will be batch making candles for a baby shower event, and I'll be using this tin. On the website, they also have recommendation on the type of wick to use and the fragrance load, and they have different information that will help you with these jars. So for this, I will go with double wicking, which means I'll be using 2 wick into using this jar. I did few tests with the wick. I used one. I did one candle with 1 wick and the other candle with 2 wicks, and I did a burn test, and I love the way the double wick actually burn. I love the melt pool. So in my next video, when I'm batch making, I will be using double wick for this jar. So guys, this is all about me unboxing my candle vessel from California Candle Supply. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video when I will be batch making my candles. Thank you for joining. See you in my next video.